Good afternoon. In this moment, I would like to talk about assimilation. What is assimilation? Assimilation is a sound change in which some phonemes, typically consonants or vowels, change to be more similar to other nearby sounds. Assimilation also can occur either within a word or between words. Sometimes people tend to speak slowly and they pronounce in the correct way the sounds of each word. But there are other people who speak faster and they tend to pronounce the word differently, or they omit some sounds of the correct words. In speaking, assimilation may occur between two adjacent sounds contiguous or at distance non-contiguous. The direction of assimilation may be forward progressive or backward progressive. The assimilation also may be partial or total. I am going to mention that regressive assimilation is when a sound is changed by the sound consonant that is after. For example, in the sentence "don't be silly," "don't be silly," it's pronounced "don't be silly" when we speak slowly. But when people speak faster, they are going to pronounce like this: "Don't be silly." They omit the sound M and T and they replace it for the sound M that is bilabial. So this means that M and T become M, affected by the letter B. Then we have a progressive. Progressive assimilation happens when a sound is changed by the sound or the consonant that is before. And here I have an example: the word dogs. What happened with that word? Well, the final sound S becomes Z by the influence preceding the letter G. Then I have a partial. Partial assimilation is other thing that may occur when the assimilated sound retained at least one of its original phonetic features or adopts only one of the phonetic features of another sound. And here I have an example: the regular verb stopped. Stopped. D becomes T in the environment after B. Then I have the total assimilation. Total assimilation can happen when the assimilated sounds adopt all the phonetic features, so it can become identical to it. For example, in the word winter, they assimilate, or the letter T is assimilated as another M sound. So the letter T becomes M in the environment after M because it means that N is identical to its sound. Thank you for listening. That was my participation.